Good morning everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well. We've got a nice touch of our, well, first resistance really of the blue wave 5 and a nice rejection, all by planning the dates for the moment. This is pretty cool. I'm not saying that this is a top, okay, we can still make one more new push to the upside, but well, we've got a nice swing through the pan into, by the way, a lovely level. I don't know if you was checking out this in Discord. Well, this is just really random, but just look at this. The Spotify minutes listed. This is, well, this is pretty nice, not gonna lie. Look at this. This was in Discord here. These are the minutes I have listened in Discord, in Spotify, sorry, this year. So that's a lot. I'm listening a lot of music as I'm a lot on in front of the computer as I'm training every day. And so, well, just look at this right here, and you have the same price there. This was the resistance of the top, really. That's pretty funny. Anyways, that's pretty fun fact. So here, anyways, we have planned this nice wave here. We've got this nice projection. For now, we're going to cover this wave. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna go with the levels like always. But yeah, you can see already with this date here, with the FIDA, the 17th of December, we just here hit, well, on the 17th of December, a little later here, you can see, but as always, well, we can be, like, say, 2 days before, 2 days after, it's fine. Well, we've got a nice swing through the pan. We've got a nice failed auction above the range high, as I said yesterday also in Discord here. Again, all of this here in Discord is absolutely free. Where is this? I also gave the reasons for the short trade, but as I said here, a small failed auction above the range high. Let's trade this range until it breaks, and so that brings us right now with a nice, well, move to the downside. That's pretty cool. So am I longing now? Well, the answer is no, and I'm going to explain the reason for this. So first of all, we've got just to update really quickly here, since yesterday if you was in Discord, as I said here, so we've got the first support, that was the range low with the daily negative path control. So what's happened here overnight, we've got a little bounce of this, so this was a pretty cool scalp, not gonna lie. The thing is now, from here, as I say, the value area low here is going to be very important here. If we reclaim it, we can look for the VWAP at least, so it was around this high, and I would not be surprised, to be honest, with to see the value area high. Now the thing is, we've got one attempt, fail, a second one, and fail again. So we just boom, drop below, flip everything into resistance. Well, bounce of the daily negative path control, but I don't really know what was the data on the order for that time, as I was in the bed sleeping. We can have a look at this really quickly. So it was there. Well, just a lot of longs getting stopped out, to be honest with you. Sorry. Well, yeah, just a lot of longs getting stopped out. No absorption. No. Got a few longs there, but I think, yeah, this got absorbed or what? Now let's have a look at the 1 minute, because this cannot really see what's going on there. Where was that? Here. Yeah, just some big longs coming like this, but there is nothing coming off the low, really. Small absorption, but it was a week below before. That's not the best. This was off the DNPOC, right? Yeah. Then a lot of shorts. Yeah, building absorption here. Yeah, it wasn't that bad, not gonna lie. Just a lack of longs here, not gonna lie. This was just a lack of longs. Just too many longs coming at the same place. Then you have, well, the same amount of shorts that bring us with a bit of a bounce here. We go take the week high. And from here you can see we get some demand to reject off the VWAP. And so we get some new shorts there. And so the price just falls. So the best would have been to wait for the VWAP here to be reclaimed, and well, yeah, I mean this was the thing here, to wait for the VWAP, okay, and the range low here to be reclaimed with some strength, because for now we've got some longs. You can see on the order flow we've got some people longing into the resistance, and we've got some big shorts opening, but it was to defend the resistance, right? So yeah, we just had to wait really for this zone here to be reclaimed. If we see a reclaim, we take the long. If not, we just do not take the long, and so we've got the continuation. So we can get rid now of these levels. Okay, we don't really care anymore. We can remove this. We can remove this. And so since the failed auction, that brings us with a nice 5% drop. Sorry if I'm cutting my microphone, I still have a bit of a cold. So I'm coughing sometimes. Anyways, so let's come here on the 1 hour. We are at the gap top, by the way, right now. Okay, but yeah, I'm not personally longing here. I'll prefer lower prices to come next for a nice long trade. So first of all, let's go on a daily time from here. And first of all, very first of all, let's just pop out the chat here. I'm gonna make it smaller like this, by the way. Perfect. Oops. So good morning to you all. Sol USD, alright, gonna check out this next. Good morning, mate. How are you doing? Are dying really hard. Well, that's pretty cool because we have planned loads of support, not gonna lie. On dot, big time links, so drop them all. We're going to buy this. That'd be nice, not gonna lie. Look at this, even that, we can look for this nice long trade next. I'm gonna cover the hours next. Anyway, so daily time from here, we have no new daily level. So let's come on the 1 hour here. Where is charts there? There you go. Right, so we have this one here, 107,290. Let's take this. No. 290, perfect. And then we have another one that is 105,450. Boom, okay. 106,614. Sorry. Boom. Okay. Oh, we've got a new TPO there. What? Well, I don't have that one on my chart here. 750. Okay. Don't know why I didn't edit that one. Anyways. And a nice DNPOC at the very top. Alright, so by the way, we can take here the price directly there. 106,987.5. 987.5, right? 987.5, yes. Okay, good. Well, this is not the best. Let's see what gives the ticks one. Yeah, we don't really care. Yeah, no, we don't care. Okay, done. Right, so let's go back on the order flow view. And let's go here on the 15 minutes first of all. Want to plan a few resistance if we have to bounce from here. Right. Wow. Okay. I really don't like the confluence in this, in that thing here. Well, the first resistance will be the view up to the value low here. Okay, so that will be here if you rise. That will be a first take profit if you took the long, for example, from the very low here. I'm not longing this personally, but this is a first zone of resistance. If we do break this, we can look for a complex level approach around the range low. But I'd say if we reclaim the value low here, it is likely we are going to see this target next. But this is still a strong... Well, the premise, the confluence is really bad at the moment, so it will be really weird to rise from here. There is nothing really a match with the... Well, yeah, the confluence is really bad. But, well, yeah, we do have still this zone of resistance. I don't like it personally. I'm not expecting a drop of this because we don't have some good volume. I'm expecting to go into the path control next. But this right here will be for a complex level approach of this target. Like, for example, go above, flip into support, fake the pump, and go below, and fake to flip resistance to value here and drop. That will be for a complex level approach like this resistance. Okay, if we don't make a complex level approach of this target in there, hope it makes sense, we're going to go for this one here. And if we do break this target there, to be honest with you, this, but I mean new all-time high really. There are only 2 targets I can see, the good ones. Yeah, that's it really. So let's come back here on the 1 hour and plan now the support. So the support here, we have some nice targets. I mean one nice target just below. That is, so we have this value high, but that will be good to go and hit some other levels down there. We have much more levels below, and that can bring us with this long trade. Okay, this was a target, by the way. Normally we also have planned in the last update, if I'm correct. Normally we do have the trades there. Yeah, there we go. We have planned this nice long trade in the last update on Monday, so we did got the nice and lovely increase in price, so we can get rid of that now. And so yeah, now this is a second target. I'm just gonna make, well, there we go. So I just divided this by 2 targets, but well, now for me this is just only 1 target, so we can take a new long trade. Boom, and we can boom, 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 do this. That will be for such a long trade. Okay, so I'm not really interested in this value high. I'll look more for this whole thing here, and if we do break that thing, we can look, I mean this target here, we can look for, well, a nice drop again down to the point of control. Just gonna add this back here to see really quickly. Sorry. Yeah, well, that'll be the next target here, but what is that? Okay. Let me add this here on the, yeah, there you go, that will match with the pitchfork bottom here also. Yeah, the next target is really this path control. Okay, but if we really, I mean, yeah, well, yeah, the thing is, if we go into this target, I'll be looking for a long. Am I going to place limits? No, I'm going to market order in this. Okay, so this right here is a wall target. The thing is now, if you start, oh, by the way, oh no, sorry, I'm saying, no, okay, I thought it was this path control. Well, the higher time frame uptrend path control was this one here. Okay, no, so yeah, this second target is a good target too, by the way. Okay, my bad. This one here is a good target. These are the 2 long targets really we're having at the moment on Bitcoin. If we do break this second target, we can simply look for the lows here. Okay, we're going to look for a swing through pan of the lows, and when I'm saying the lows, it can go all the way down to these lows here. We have a bunch of lows here to take. Okay, so we have all these lows here. We just have to trade this as a swing through pan or a failed auction, as simple as that. Okay, but yeah, for now these are the 2 long targets. Should we go more down, we simply have to look for the wave 4 target, really, as simple as that. We're going to add the confluence now. So yeah, let me just get rid of this, and there we go, we have the targets now. So these are the support, and we've planned the resistance. I just don't like them a lot, to be honest with you, the resistance at the moment. Just gonna check here really quickly what was the reaction at the TPO, because we are bouncing a bit. I'm just not really interested into the target personally. Right, some few longs, but not too many. Just, yes, a little bit of absorption still. MC long reactions. Okay. All right. I mean, yeah, that's valid. Okay, if you took the long here, not even a time, this was a valid long. But well, the thing is, personally, I don't like the target. There is more, well, a biggest some bigger zone really below with bigger confluence, that'll be better to go down there, not gonna lie. Okay, so it is just well, not a very strong support. Can we bounce off it? Yes, of course. Now, yeah, I would prefer some targets where there is more confluence personally. So with the levels we're done, so let's move now on the wave. On the wave, well, here is what we have planned a few days ago. That was, well, 11 days ago. We have planned this nice 17th of December into this resistance between 106,800 up to 109,600. We've got the fib time 17th of December. Don't know if I can place my mouse on this at some point so I can show anyways. And the next one here is at Christmas. So are we going to do the top now? I'd not be surprised, to be honest, we'll see another rise. So maybe more the very top of this blue wave 5 into the white wave 3 around Christmas on the 24. Yeah. But in any case, the cool thing is that gave a very nice short trade with an SFP, a very simple swing through pants. So, yeah, now in any case, we've got a short trade. We did took profit once. We have our stop loss placed an entry. So in any case, we've got a short trade of this. We've got a winning trade. We've made profit of this target. So now it is just pretty cool. Well, that's just pretty nice. I don't know, we just have to see if we manage to reclaim directly or not. Two configurations personally for the wave 5, as I said in the last update, either a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is completed. We have now the wave 5 top, so the bigger wave 3 top, and we can look for the wave 4. So if we have to look for the wave 4, we can pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root or the wave 2 bottom. Simply, as always, do the opposite, if you did not reverse your tool in your settings. I did it, so from the top to the bottom, otherwise bottom to the top at the wave 4 targets at the 50% here, because we still have done a pretty big impulsive move here to the upside, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 261A, we miss a 361A here. That will be cool to make another increase in price to touch that level, not gonna lie. But yeah, in case we drop from here, well, we can still be aware of the 50%. So normally if we drop from here, okay, we have these two target spans. So the next one is coming around 97,600. Wait, what? 97, yeah, okay. Here it's 96,700. Just the opposite here with the 677. But anyways, so well, a bit below here. So yeah, that should drop at least if we're in the wave 4 now into this 23.6. We have done a regular wave 2, so normally we have more chance to stop between this 38.2 and 23.6, 38.2. Now, as we're in a bit of a bigger time frame, I will still be aware of the 50%, so it can go down to the very bottom there to do a swing for a pan of that right here. So well, simply the targets we have planned with the levels, break the second long target, we can look for an SFP of the lows, really, as I've said before. Yeah, of course you can use the fibs here to help yourself to find a target. For example, if you do an SFP of this low here or this low here, we can look for an SFP into the 38.2, maybe an SFP also of that low, into the 38.2, and we know that, well, this is better now because we've hit a fib, for example. Okay, but yeah, so this is basically the zone for the wave 4 we can look at. This wave 4 can take a little bit longer, like for example this wave 4 here, because now we start against some bigger wave, so it can take some more time. Just be aware of that. For example, here the wave 2 was very short, so the wave 4 is a little longer. Here again, this was pretty short, not gonna lie, so we can look for something a little longer, so a few weeks, for example. That will make sense, for example, after Christmas, New Year, stuff like that. Pretty flat, but well, who knows. Yeah, so in any case, this is the target. Now, so this is in case we've got this configuration. Okay, just gonna control Z here, everything. This is in case we are already into the wave 4 and we have this configuration right here for the wave 5. So to speak, we have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, these are the targets for the wave 4. Now the thing is, the second configuration, and what I prefer personally, is this wave 1, 2, 3, 4 with a nice long trade we have planned. Okay, and then we can look for the fifths around Christmas. and so a nice bloody Bitcoin next for Christmas. Well, away for the thing. But this is what we can look for, really. I mean, what I'm looking at the moment, more likely. In any case, the top here, well, we've got a top plan with the date and everything, so this is pretty cool. We've got a short trade. Now, we did took profit once. We have just to set the stop loss and entry and just wait and see what's happening, right? Is we just made profit of this short, so this is just pretty nice. The thing is, yeah, even if that's not the overall top, we do one more new high. In any case, we have been able to plan the dates, to plan a top here, and we've got a nice rejection of this. So in any case, we've got the rejection we was waiting for. Now, if we do this move next, we don't care, we've made profit of this. That's it, okay? But yeah, that is a second configuration, so we can get a long trade off the long targets we have planned, and next the wave 5 for, well, around Christmas if we respect the FIB time. And so from here, bam, get a nice drop for the wave 4. And we're again going to plan the levels when we will get this like this, because we need this data to plan the new targets. In any case, well, we have to, well, yeah, we need this data really to plan the targets. Sorry. So yeah, that is it really for Bitcoin. Nothing more than this. Everything is following absolutely perfectly, and yeah, I do prefer this configuration, even though we've got a rejection of the target with the date we have planned. So let's go here on the outs really quick. Has bullish CVD and Exo doesn't. Wow, sorry. Well, yeah, we'll see which one plays out. Yeah, I just don't. Well, you've got some good long reaction there, but I just don't like the target. Personally, there is much better target below. Good morning. Can you have a look at FIDA and POPCAT? Yeah, sure, mate. I'm gonna just start with Sol here, and then I'm gonna cover. Oh, by the way, before I'm gonna cover a few of my outs right now. So we've got GALA here. GALA, it is really for a wave 4. Please go and watch at this video that is on the website. It's absolutely free, just so you can really understand everything. You can just go in the member section here, and you have the exclusive TA. You can just go and check out his GALA update. I'm not talking, it's just music only, so if you don't like, please mute the video. But I'm really, well, it's a 20 minutes video, and you have really everything in there. You can see I'm really writing stuff, explaining my opinion, the different configurations, adding the new levels, so you can also see how I'm doing this on my side. How do I find the resistance, the support, for example. Here I'm planning the support all the way, well, leaving the time really in the video. So really make sure to go and watch at this to really understand that. Oops. But yeah, we have this nice, where is this here? This nice 2 long targets that will be for a wave 4. Well, if we start coming that down, not gonna lie, it's not really for a wave 4 anymore, but this right here will be for a wave 4. Basically, you just do a triple wave like this, and then you get a rise like that. Okay, simple as that. By the way, can we get some FIB times here or not? Yeah, not really, to be honest. Maybe this 161802, but 22 of December, well, yeah, maybe. Not really relevant, to be honest with you. So GALA, we have this nice long trades. Next we have XRP. Well, XRP, by the way, there is nothing really to update on that, it's just what we have planned. XRP is there again. All these channels are absolutely free. I posted this around there. That will be for a wave 4, as I said. Drop into the wave 4 target, bounce. We've got a 2 long trades plan of the Valera high, really 38.2, Valera high 38.2, so $1.9881, $1.9881. Drop inside and rise 40%. Wow, this is insane. And so yeah, I will take profit 1 as the other outs are moving down. Maybe we're going to do a bigger triple wave like this, and so we're going to get another long trade opportunity like that. If we do break this below, we can look for this next long trade. Okay, if we get acceptance below the current low we have done, and do not swing through the pan. Next we have dot. We have a nice long target below. That's not the best long target ever, the strongest one, but well, we do have a Valera high. Yeah, I don't like this target so much, but well, I'm gonna, well, Just gonna trust my TA really, and well, if Bitcoin is bullish at that time, I'm gonna take the long for sure. So this is a nice long target on dot. That'll be also for a wave 4. This wave 4 here, I'm not in anymore into, you know, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've switched it to so 1, 2 bottom made there, not a wave 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, and so the 3 or 5 is already completed. Even though on the RSI it looks like really we have done a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna accept that now the wave 4 is too big, so we cannot be in this smaller wave anymore. So I'm gonna take this wave 2. Please be aware of that. If we start breaking this wave 4 target, if we really start getting acceptance below here, the 61866%, that thing right here was an ABC zigzag, and so this is going to drop a lot more. We're simply going to go for a new low, as simple as that, really. So we better hold this. We really better hold this. Yep. So dot, here is a long target. If we do break this, you have this nice target below, this one here and this one here. In any case, well, everything is planned here. That's pretty cool. Big time. We have another target down here. We've got a rejection of the swing 3 pound value, top of the channel here, zone of resistance. Drop down, well, into, well, the middle really of the range. And so now we have this nice target just below here. Yeah. So big time, that's it. A link, we also have this nice 2 targets below here. These values are high. If we do break this, we can look for a drop down to this monthly level. Weekly negative path control value are high also, so to speak. First target is coming at around $24. That's the first zone of support. I'm gonna have a look, well, I'm gonna long this if, well, Bitcoin is bullish at the same time. Next is simply a swing third pound down to this monthly negative path control. So 19 well, there we can look for this. $19 down to, yeah, $19 down to $17. Okay. Link, we're done a year, and so that will be for a wave 4 too. Normally, by the way, yes, that'll be for a wave 4. And so next we have a year we have, so this possible leading to the upside, so wave 2 or B wave. Okay, we have some dates, by the way, planned. Completely forgot about this, but we do have some dates. We have the 21 of December and the 1st of January. That will be for the wave 2 or for the B wave bottom, so we're coming closer to the 21 of December. And so we have this nice long target right here. So it is basically swing 30 pound. That will be a better rate to go and hit the path control of this pre-sub trend. So really at, well, $18. If we do go down there, I'm gonna long that if, of course, Bitcoin is bullish. At the same time, please note that all these long trades here are planned. If Bitcoin is just massively bearish when we hit these targets, there is no way for me I'm gonna long this. I'm gonna just wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. If Bitcoin is not ready, nothing is going to bounce off the target here. Okay. Sorry. So yeah, that is it really, I think, on my side with the well, things plan, really, the levels plan. Let me just have a look at Floki here, because we have planned also something on that one. I just want to check here where we are right now. Yes, still not at the range low. Okay, so nothing more to say on this, to add on this. Bam. Alright, so let's go on. It was Solana, right? I watched GALA video. It is really great to see you chart something from scratch. Well, yeah, that can help, I think, to understand, well, to just see how we can do the TA also on your side. So you don't really need me all the time, if we can say that. So you can just be, well, just take some experience, really. So yeah, I'm glad to see it helps, mate. Really glad to see it helps. Thanks for the feedback. Let's go on Sol here. So gonna duplicate that, and yeah, gonna take this one if that can load. Perfect. Sol didn't check it, that one, for a long time. Sorry. So what happened on that? We've got a first bounce of the first target, we've got a second bounce of the second target, and we've got a bounce of nowhere. So we can remove that now. I guess, well, you just had to do the take profit on your side, but we've got some nice trades planned on that. That's pretty cool. Right, so let me just update that thing here very quickly. Do we have any sol on this? Element sol here. Can get rid of the. Let me get rid of a few things here. I deleted what here? Alright. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Just want to clean the chart as much as possible to update the new levels. Alright, so it's got a monthly time frame there. No, weekly. We might get one at the top. Yes, so we can take this. Just a swing £30 of the all-time high, by the way. Boom. Another weekly, just right there. This one we can get rid of it. Weekly. Alright, daily time frame, and let's start to do the TAs on that thing. So, boom, boom. Particular high path control. Okay. This right here. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Right. Okay, so let's see now on ExoCharts. What do we have? We just have, wow, this is very laggy right now. We just have 2 monthly negative path controls at the lows. Let's see here on the TIX1. We have only one but nothing above. Let's wait for the weekly naked point of control. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, so that's it. Good. All right. So yeah. Okay. We have a very big support. Yeah, this. Well, I think this is what I drew you before, but this right here is a very, 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 very big support. Not gonna lie. Sorry. So yeah, this. Well, that's a very complex one. Not gonna lie. I would say, to be honest with you, I will really say here, if we get acceptance back into the range, we do not swing £30 these lows. I mean, the weekly negative path control here is just right into a quick move up. I will definitely not long this. We'll just get rid of this. I would just look here for this target to be tapped, to be honest with you. If we do go below here, we do not swing £30 these lows, it is going to fall to free fall down to this target at least. Now, if we do get a swing £30 of this, wait for the reclaim of the range high, and then you can take the long of the range high for, well, first you have to plan, of course, the resistance up here, you know, with a fixed range, retracement tool and everything. But, yeah, that is a, yeah, I mean, look at that, we have another confluence again down here. Yeah, this is a massive, massive, massive zone of support down there. So yeah, that's a process really, I would say. If we don't do the swing £30, if we don't manage to hold these lows here, that is going to free fall down to the target at the very least. Next, we have this. And next we have this value low, well, with all of this. These are the 3 targets. If we do break the last one, we can look for, well, we can just swipe the lows really. This one here, well, there are a few lows there. But this one is the most important one with this. Okay, so yeah, that first swing £30 here is very key. So, well, we can place a long off this, but again, please... That's a very complex long, not gonna lie, this is a very, very, very complex long, because probably we don't have real big support. It's really, well, yeah, that's along really only if you, well, you can trade the swing through pan, but I will trade more the reclaim of the range high and the flip to support of this range high, to be honest with you. I'll not trade below here. This is really risky. Okay, but yeah, these are the two trades we can look for basically on that one. And now with the wave, that will be for the moment for a wave 4. Now please be aware of that on a higher time frame. We are into a wave 5 already. It can be a C wave top already. So yeah, I mean, we've got a new all-time high. If that's an ABC exact, it can be done, and now we can go in a bear market. Now the thing is Bitcoin really massively bearish like this? The answer is no. So am I going to take this directly? The answer is no. I'm going to look still for higher at some point. So if I have to look for higher, well, for now we can take the wave 4, but I mean this is already a pretty big wave 4 because the wave 2 here was pretty normal, not gonna lie. Yeah, definitely that was just a regular wave 2. And now we are already really low. What the hell that thing can be here? Let me think. I'll not be surprised to see the long... yeah, I'll take the wave 4 first of all, just for another low and a bounce for the wave 5. If we do break below here, I will look for something different. What was that bear thing here? Okay. Yeah, even here I have this... I mean, that just doesn't make sense, to be honest. Flat no, but X wave yes. All right. Okay, that can make sense here. Not gonna lie. 2618 more of this. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's a nice extension for a C wave. That's a nice target. So well, okay. Well, let's take this. If we are going below into the targets we have planned. Let's go with some white wave, but I'm gonna change that to another color. Red smaller, and let's put this red smaller too. Let's add the wave 2, and let's take this. Perfect. And so here, well, we don't know yet what we're getting down, but that will be basically for this. There you go. And so in that case, that will bring us with the following targets. Let me have a look at this really quickly. Yeah, Solana is very complex, not gonna lie. Yeah, okay. That'll be a mess. I'm looking for this double EXY, but not for a new low, to be honest with you. I'm looking for a truncated third wave, for a wave 4, and then bounce for the wave 5. That's the plan more likely for now, unless we do break the support we have planned. But well, yeah, you can see these are the targets we have planned. So first of all, we have of course this right here, but I mean, I'm not going to look for a truncated Z wave like Y wave like this. I'm just gonna take the wave 4 as planned. Okay. Oops. Into the bullish configuration. I'm gonna take the wave 4 first of all. Okay, so this pink wave 4 here, if we do get the drop, just the wave 4. If now we to break the wave 4 target, so to speak, we just break this low here with no swing third pan. We do not manage to hold a swing third pan or a failed auction. We are simply going to look for, if I can remove that, just 2 seconds please, bam. If, yeah, first of all, swing third pan failed auction of the current low. If we don't manage to hold this, we can look for the bearish configuration. And so a longer higher time frame wave 4. And so in that case, we can look for these supports. So 1-to-1 extension, that is the first target we have planned basically with the levels, if I'm correct, 164. Yeah, there we go, perfect. Next we'll have the 123, I guess that is the second one. 141. Yep, perfect. And next we'll have the third one, that is basically the 1618. So we can go still a little bit below, you know, into the last support and the reclaim that can happen on the 123 of the Y wave. But otherwise, next that will be the lows, as I said before. Really, we'll have to swipe the lows here. You know, this one here and this one here. That is a 1618. So this is in case we're bearish. Okay, and we drop a lot more from here. We have to be ready and prepared as always. So here is, that's the count. I'm going to take at the moment on Solana. FIDA and POPCAT. Well, I think there is not much to update, mate. Let me have a look. FIDA is down there. FIDA. What was the level? Yeah, well, if we go below here, that will be the same. Along off the same target, really, just a swing for a reflection of the low, as simple as that. And for now, this was, yeah, normally this was a wave 4. Well, if we don't, well, the thing is, if we do break this wave on top, that was an ABC zigzag, so well, it's a correction to go more down, right? As simple as that. Depends. But yeah, for now we're holding the wave 4, so nothing to worry unless we break the wave on top. Okay. Nothing to update. And POPCAT, I guess there is not much also to update on this, to be honest. POPCAT, where is this? Should be there normally. POPCAT. So when below on this one, we've got a drop below. Yeah, okay. So now we've got this long trade here that was normally taken before for the first ride. We've got a first take profit, drop again into the target. Now the thing is, we just need to wait for a reclaim of this value high level. Wait for a reclaim, flip to support, and on this flip to support, we take the long. Or if we get a good reclaim, for example, because Bitcoin is bullish and we can look for higher. If we do get this, then that's a long. If we just remain below this target, there is no way to long that, and that might go all the way down to $0.6. That's it. So we better reclaim this soon. If we don't, yeah, I mean, we still have the 618, it is 6% below here, but I mean, yeah, let me just have a look at something here really quick. Oh, what is that value high? But I guess there are a lot of data missing here, yeah? Yeah, so can we really check out this value high? Well, that's Bybit, so it's fine. Yeah, so it can go down to here, okay? We can get a longer trade off that, not gonna lie. That will make sense if we, for example, the other ads drop and we get the bounce of the support we have planned. Yeah, that'll be just the next target. So first of all, we have the one right now, but we need to reclaim the value high level and get acceptance of it. Best will be to flip into support, and once you get the flip into support, if Bitcoin is bullish, take the long. If not, drop below. And if we do not manage to reclaim the current support value high to get this long trade, we can look for this value high, the second value high here. That will be an SFP into this value high on the 66%. Okay, and if we do break this, well, yeah, in that case, we're going to go towards, if we really do break this 0.88, we can really look down to $0.6. Okay, so yeah, that will be on a reclaim flip to support for the long. If we don't, if we just hold below the value high right now, we can look for this second value high zone to be tapped. And that's it, I think. Do you ever look at XMR? Not really. This always holding strong. Oh, nice. XMR, boom, just right there. Whoa, wow. XMR, alright. So what? Wait, we just have this on. Alright. What was planned here? Well, cap long here, we've got it. Not for a new all-time high, but into this value high. And next, that was an SFP really of that low. Well, we've got an SFP of that low up to the view up here. That's pretty nice. And then, oh wow, look at this. and another SFP, and another SFP into a range high or low. I guess range high. Yeah. Nice. Pretty cool. And raise up to the swing flip and fellowship of that. Okay. Oops. Yeah, we can get rid of that. Okay, so let me have a look at what's happened. But no, to answer the question, no, I'm not really looking at this one, to be honest, as I don't like I remember the wave on this. I don't really like well, I'm replacing some bullish wave, but as I said in the last update, this is not really looking, this will be more for me a double XY to the upside. So correction, but well, and what the hell is this? Maybe another wave 1-2-1-2. Well, either a leading, that's pretty weird. Well, that's pretty weird. Not. Yeah, let's plan a bearish configuration here. Because Bitcoin is bullish, yes, absolutely. Yeah. And if Bitcoin is bearish, I'm gonna do a medium time frame number 2, because Bitcoin can be bearish and retrace for the wave 4, and so here that'll be, yeah. What can that be? A double DXY extends. See how he plays a die in here? Okay. So W, X, Y, X, and Z, and that will be an ABC zigzag. A, B, ending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See. So this right here will be for the bearish configuration. Medium time frame 2. Bear. Oh yeah, you have to close. There we go. Yeah, so this is in case Bitcoin is bearish. We can look for, well, either a second X wave and then a Z for double X, Y, X, and Z. Either a new low for the longer wave 2, really. If we do get this, we're going to plan the targets later. For now, we're not sure about that. We're going to keep this. Well, if we do have a leading, we can look for another wave 1, 2. And then nice wave 3 or 5, really, to the upside. For a continuation, if we really have to be bullish, yeah. And if we're really, really, really bullish, sorry, that can be another wave 1, 2, and boom 1, 2, and boom explode to the upside. But again, this is really in case we're ultra bullish, you know the style to take. I'm not going to look for this at all personally, but well, if we do it, you know what to take. That's the most important. So you're not like, oh my god, what do I have to take now? It's moving, I don't know. Well, now you know. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. Nothing more to add on this, to be honest. Can we add the wait, I'm just gonna update the levels here really quick. Alright. 1 monthly down there. Can get rid of that. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let me hide that and boom. Okay, and this one too. And of course the render one, like that. Oh wow. There is nothing in confidence with that. Alright, so yeah, the problem now is this is already hit. This is already hit. So well, the first target in any case will be this. Okay, if we do break down, we can look for this one here, but an SFP will be nice to have the low, and otherwise, yeah, well, the lows, to be honest with you here. An SFP of the lows here. These are the 3 main targets, And if we do not do a simple SFP failed auction, we can look for a drop down to here. Yeah, as simple as that, really. That will be my target, step by step. Should we drop from here, where you know where you can look for a long, really. The thing is now to just wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce. So yeah, that's it for XMR. Yeah, that's it. So what is doing Bitcoin? Not bouncing much right now. What is going on the order flow? And once we've checked that, we can stop the live. We've got a few longs. Good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me do this. Okay, no absorption anymore. Nothing is really bearish right now. Well, the only bearish thing is this absorption from the previous high here. But otherwise, that can bring us. Yeah. In any case, I'm not looking here. That's as simple as that, really. Yeah, no. There's nothing much to say on the order flow here too, like in the previous update, by the way. Yeah, well, just some longs, but I don't like the support, so I'm not longing this person, as I said. I'm gonna remain patient for a better target to be tapped. Yep, that's it. So in any case, absolutely lovely Bitcoin plan here. That's pretty cool. 17th of December, we've got a top, we've got a short, we just have to enjoy now. Don't forget to take profit once, because we can still make one more new high and go for the next FIB time for the real top of the blue wave 5 and the white wave 3. We also have some news today. We have some news. Oh, by the way, yeah, we have some important news. 230 UTC plus 1 building permits. And next we have the Fed and the FOMC. So very important news at 8 PM UTC plus 1. So please be aware of this. I'm going to directly now set some alerts. I mean, some alarm. Boom, boom, boom. We'll raise this here. 230. Oh, by the way, 230. Someone is coming here at 2. Anyways. And it is 20. So let's add 1955. Boom. Perfect. Right, so yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, as always, don't forget to smash a like, to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Thank you so much, as always, if you take the time to do it. And this being said, catch you all on Friday. And well, if you don't go and check out, well, how it is possible to make such prediction, for example, top here, well, the target, everything really, simply go and check out the website. If you want also to understand maybe a little bit more the update in Discord, for example, when I'm talking about MOONCHARTS, you can simply go and check out here into the course section. Oh. Alright, I don't know what's happening right now, but anyways, you have a wave and an MOONCHARTS course. Why is doing this? Well, there is an issue right now with this. I don't know why. I'm gonna go directly check at that. Yep, so anyways, you can go and check out the course. Normally it's not like that. I mean, this is a view for the, well, for everyone, by the way. If you're an apprentice on the website, you will unlock the MOONCHARTS course and not get this view. I don't know why it is. I guess we've got an update overnight, and let me have a look at this. I guess the plugin here got updated, and so of course in that case, yeah, there you go. We've got an update. Alright, so I don't know the reason why. So I'm gonna go and check out this directly now. So anyways, if you want to go and check out and, well, learn really, simply go and check out the website. It's there waiting for you, and you have some free stuff also. So for example, a beginner course and stuff like that. Anyways, take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.